how to use Zelle with M&T Bank. To use Zelle with M&T Bank, you have to log into M&T mobile banking app. First thing, you're going to use the browser as well. If you're using browser, type in mntb.com and log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, what next you want to do is here, you need to go ahead and from the home page, you want to select send money with Zelle from the list or from the menu bar. After which you need to follow the prompt to provide your to enroll. So provide in your mobile number or the email address and link it with your M&T checking account. Then you'll receive a verification code to confirm your device. After you're done enrolling the Zelle, you need to go ahead and send the money, right? So choose a contact or add their email address or the US or the mobile number. Type in the amount and add an optional note if you want to. Confirm the details and send the payment as well. And they'll get a text or an email to receive the funds. And this is how you will be able to use Zelle with M&T Bank. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.